In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a directory to GitHub. Go here to Add File and Create New File. So here where you create your new file, go up to Name Your File and put the name of the directory that you want it to have. So I'm going to put HTML, and then I'm going to put a slash mark. And now I'm going to name the file that I'm going to create there. So note that you can't create a directory without creating a file to go in it. Background image. Now that I've done that, I can put my file contents here. I'll just put a hash mark just to get it started. And then I will commit changes. I'm going to commit this directly to the main branch because that's where I want it. Hit commit. And now when I go back to my tutorials repository, I can see I have HTML right here, and inside I have that background image file. And that's how you create a directory inside of a repository. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.